Gold and silver both are precisely traded in a no trade zone. As I shared in the morning update with the Asia session, gold got a resistance at 2020 and silver at 2420 levels. Now what to expect today with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day market updates and analysis. Also you can join our free Telegram channel where you get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the levels here. Now first let's have a look at the hourly charts. Now once again gold tried to breach past 2020 mark, which is a critical resistance zone. It failed to do so, trying to retrace again. Now see, this is still very much in the consolidation zone. Higher lows, lower highs are seen, and hence once you see it trading below 2008, that is the point where you can go for sell. So same limits what we had shared in the morning update are going to remain applicable. Below 2008 you can expect 2004 and 2000 as a very good support, and if it breaks below 2000, see as I shared, you can find out 1995 as a very good support for now, as that should be the bottom of this channel, and hence below 1995 only further bearishness may prevail. So yes, if you are selling at 2008, you have to strictly put a trailing stop loss, so that in case of a reversal your trade closes in profit or in without any loss. Now on the hourly chart, the stochastic has dropped back to oversold zone. The MACD is trying to cross over it. See, it converged till towards the zero line and now trying to cross over for a sell. If it does, certainly more bearishness may prevail, and that is where 2008 levels should come into picture. RSI also looking down, trying to trade bearish. Look at the 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, see, after retracing for multiple green candles achieving higher highs, this is trying to drop here. This is the first and second red candle. Possibly it may try to confine its movement between this zone itself. This is trying to trade in box, and a buy entry only is recommended if you see it trading above 2020, and a sell entry is below 2008 same levels. A stochastic dropping here, looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to convert crossover. Right now it is still in green. It is still in a buy zone. RSI trying to look down, trying to trade indicate slight bearishness. Now look at 3-hour charts here. On the 3-hour charts, you will find, see, right now gold trading below the 20-50-100 period moving average. 2018 levels, good resistance there from the 20 and 100 period moving average, and then the 50 period at 2020. These three levels, this zone is certainly going to remain important for gold here. Also, if you note, see, it was trading in this, and this candle is trying to break out, and hence a breakout means it can continue with its downward move. However, if you look at the complete movement also, if you connect the dots, see, it is almost at the bottom and try to breach the bottom. So possibly below, in fact, 2012 levels also, you can try to initiate a sell entry. However, it will be good for you to sell at 2008. That is a safe entry. Below that, further bearishness is going to prevail there. Now, if you look at a stochastic at top there, the MACD is in green and it is trying to convert. See, that is where I am telling, that is where I am exercising caution here, because see, this crossover has happened at a bottom levels and it is still trying to trade in. Also remember, this crossover is happening at a quite lower levels, and after dropping from the peak there, this is the third crossover you can see here. So we have to wait a little for it to cross over again for sell, and then possibly it can try to bring the prices little down. Right now it is still very much in the green zone. RSI trying to indicate slight bearishness, and if you look at now on the 4-hour charts also, if you just connect this, you will find this is almost at the bottom here and trying to reverse, and hence in fact 2012 levels, 2008 levels, this zone it has to pass by in order to confirm the bearishness. See, it is retraced for few candles, now trying to look downwards again. And if you look at the movement, see the rise there, retracement, rise there, retracement, and possibly if it breaches on the downside, certainly more bearishness may prevail. Right now if you look at, it is trying to trade in this box. A stochastic flat there, the MACD trying to cross over for a buy entry, and this is happening at after a long losing streak, and hence little more bullishness can prevail if it stays above 2020. A stochastic RSI trying to look downwards, trying to indicate slight bearishness. Look at the daily. See, on the daily charts also, first of all, twin bottom, higher lows, lower highs, pretty much in the consolidation zone, and that is where 2008 2020 levels should be a no trade zone strictly. A stochastic at MACD trying to trade with little divergence on the daily chart. This is bearish here. on the daily charts, and it has still got some room for it to trade or drop further. RSI almost trading flat. Considering this, and the no trade zone remains the same, 2008 2020 levels. In between this $12, at least do not trade. On the upside, be cautious of 2020. Beyond that, we can see 2024 25 as a very good resistance. Beyond that, it is going to fly high. I will be looking forward to 2035 36 levels, and then 2045 50 levels. So yes, these levels are going to play a very important role. On the downside, if it breaches below 2000 levels and 1995 levels, that is the point where we may see a breakdown in gold, and it can try to slide heavily on the downside for 1990 1980 levels, my favorite support levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 1st of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now, look at silver on the hourly chart. See, first of all, 2420, very good resistance. It attempted to go very near to 2420 levels, failed to do so. At the same time, it tried to breach 2490, which was a good resistance, and now trading above it. So once again, if you see it trading below 2490, you can take a sell entry. Sorry, 2390, you can take a sell entry there. Expect 2380, very good support, and below 2380 we may see it dropping sharply. Now see what is happening here. Lower highs, lower lows, and below 2380 the sky is open for 2350 levels here. So this is one point. Stochastic on the hourly charts has dropped. The MACD has seen good bullishness here, trying to cross over for a sell. It has not yet crossed over. RSI trying to look downwards, trying to indicate slight bearishness. Now look at silver on the 2-hour chart. First of all, this sharp drop. Now this is the consolidation zone. But if you look at the moving averages, see they have diverged enough, and right now the prices are placed very near to the 20 period moving average, and from here a little conversion cannot be denied. See, whenever either it diverges more or converges, or you can say either sides on the upside or downside, whenever such divergence happen, there should be a little retracement which cannot be denied here, and that is where 2420 levels will come into picture. Beyond that, certainly we can remain long on silver and expect 2450 levels for now. But right now it is very much trying to give a breakout here. See, it is trading in this zone and now looking for a breakout on the downside. So below 2390 certainly we can stay short, but then specifically 2380 something I will look forward to. If it breaks 2380, more bearishness is going to prevail. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is still in green, trading with divergence. This crossover has happened at a bottom. It is still looking upwards. RSI also trading at bottom. And if you look at 3 hour, now see on the 3-hour chart, first of all, lower highs are seen. Previously it was trading, see twin bottom here. Previously it was trading within this consolidation zone. This is a breakout candle. It is still a swing candle until and unless it breaks past 2420. We should not consider this as bullish for sure. At the same time, below 2390 you can take a sell entry and expect it to drop more, and in fact 2380 2360 50 levels cannot be denied. 2380 is something I will wait for it to break past by in order to confirm the bearish. Stochastic flat. MACD on the other hand has crossed over at a bottom, trading with divergence, looking bullish, and see this is happening after a long losing streak, and hence it can try to stay bullish for a little while. However, the candle size have flattened here. This also indicating that the bullishness has diminished. The RSI has come out of the oversold zone, however, very much near to the bottom. Now look at 4 hour. On the 4-hour chart, see previous few candles were trading in this channel. This candle tried to breach past on the downside. This is a swing candle, and still it can continue with its downward momentum. Right now it is very much in the consolidation zone, staying below 2390 2380. Certainly we can see the bearishness may prevail there. Stochastic at comfortable levels. The MACD trying to cross over for a buy. It is not yet crossed over. See, this is happening after a long losing streak, and hence it can try to retrace a little on the upside. Stochastic is oversold. We can possibly expect a rise there. Now look at the daily chart. Now see on the daily chart, first of all, lower highs are done. Higher lows, which means 2380 levels should be a very good support, and hence till 2420 2380 zone we have to remain extremely cautious. It can still show you a swing here and then close the day at around 24. So in between 2380 2420, let's be watchful. Stochastic oversold. MACD is also extremely bearish on the daily charts. RSI trading at bottom. So the safe entry should be for a buy at around 24.20. However, those who want to risk a little can buy 24. However, be cautious for 24.10, 24.20 levels. Very, very strong resistance zone exists there, and hence you have to strictly put the stop loss at cost if you are taking an entry there. And a safe entry is about 24.20, where you can expect 24.50 levels to get achieved. On the downside, below 23.90 you can sell. However, 23.80 is something I will look forward for it to break. Once it stays below 23.80, more bearishness is going to prevail, where you can expect 23.70, 23.50 levels. 23.50 is a very, very good support zone for now. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.